Great finish. Good strike. Oh! Oh, wowza. Strike. Stop, drop, get out of there. Yeah, good areas. Bang, bang. Go on, get to that. Killed you. Yeah, no panic, well done. Boom, boom. Finish. Good areas again, well done. What a strike. Bang, bang. Who's your man? You're already at target, just close it in there. Brilliant finish. Boom, boom, get out. It's okay. If you find that one drop short in there, has it yet? You might be able to what then? Maybe take another one. Yeah, you could take another one and then get it into your stride. Tough to do when you're going so quickly and also when you're fatigued. You might just go there to there. Near post. Just close your hips in there. Yeah, because your hips are still set up to go the far side, but at the last second you can still close them. You're just aiming just inside that front post. Yeah. Finish. Oh. Nice. Lovely setup. What a start. Touch, hesitate, yes. Find the yard. Good areas. Lovely setup. Good areas. Lovely. Oh, it's okay. That second one's really tough. I love the little drop. That's excellent. When you get to here, your hesitation's lovely, but what do I need more from you? That left foot. Because when you're shifting it, you're here, and when you're getting around to it, you're not even into your stride yet before you've even hit it. I need you to be able to pivot quickly, get from A to B to boom, contact. Chop, lovely. Nice. Finish. Lovely that. Nice. Yeah. Touch. Contact. Lovely. Feet. Yeah, lovely. Finish. Brilliant finish. Finish. Lovely setup. Yeah, not bad. Lovely setup. Dig it. Good decision. Well done. Good decision. Touch. Nice. Brilliant setup. Find a way. Great adaptation. Touch. Great finish. Nice. Dig it. Get in. Yeah, we'll take it. Yeah. Chop it. Touch. Areas. Choose. Bang. Bang. Nice. Nice. Not bad. Well fixed. Not bad. Choose. Lovely. Lovely. Great finish. Touch. Areas. Boom. Boom. Cross the body. Well fixed. Feet. Wrap the hips. Not bad. Touch you. Adjust it. Great feet. Not bad. Twos. Boom. Boom. Lovely setup. Good. Oh. Great touch. Yeah, lovely disguise. Just well done. Feet. Go on, adjust. Yes.